Hello everyone, this is Sheena Mariwati channel and welcome back to Kankanai tutorial. This is Kankanai verbs with Tagalog and English translations. So for the first word, it's nanuga. In Tagalog, it's umiyak. In English, cried. Next word, we have nanmula. In Tagalog, nagtanim. In English, planted. Next verb, nangan. In Tagalog, kumain. In English, ate or eaten. We have nanamos. In Tagalog, naligo. In English, took a bath. Next verb, nanuto. In Tagalog, nagluto. And in English, cooked. Next verb, nanlaku. In Tagalog, bumili. In English, bought. Next verb, nanuwas. Naghugas. And washed for English. Next verb, naninom. In Tagalog is uminom. Drunk or drunk. Next word, nandadaan. In Tagalog, naglakad. And in English, walked. Next verb, nanayat. Nagmahal in Tagalog. And in English, loved. Next verb, we have nanorder. In Tagalog, umorder. And in English, ordered. Next verb, nantabon. In Tagalog, nagtago. And in English, hide or hidden. Next verb, inpaila. In Tagalog, pinakita. In English, showed. Next po, nanlugan. Sumakay sa Tagalog. And in English, rode. Next verb, nanuga. Umiyak sa Tagalog. And in English, cried. Next verb, we have nansurat. Sa Tagalog, nagsulat. And in English, wrote. Nanpauit. Sa Tagalog, nagpadala. And in English, sent. Sibug. Bilik sa Tagalog. And in English, water. Water the plants. Or water the cactus. Water the vegetables. Sundo. Same din po sinundo in Tagalog or sundo. And in English, fetch. Next verb, we have naila. In Tagalog, nakita. And in English, saw. Mankanta. Kakanta or aawit in Tagalog. And in English, sing. Next verb, tinmakder or tinmakte. In Tagalog, tumayo. In English, stand. Next verb, tinmagtag. Sa Tagalog, tumakbo. And in English, run. Next verb, pinuto. Sa Tagalog, pinutol. And in English, cut. Next word, we have nanlaku. Sa Tagalog, nagtinda. And in English, sell. Next word, sinmaa. Sa Tagalog, umuwi. And in English, went home. Next word, nanpalakpak. Pumalakpak. And in English, clapped. Next verb, gumatang. bumili, and in English, buy. Last word, tinmukdo, sa Tagalog, umupo, and in English, sat. Thank you. Next word, we have binisita in Kankanaoy. In Tagalog, binisita, and in English, visited. Next verb, nanpila, umila sa Tagalog, and in English, fell in line. Next verb, inamag, sa Tagalog, ginawa, and in English, made. Next word, insuot, sa Tagalog, sinuot, and in English, wore. Next, we have inginuk, sa Tagalog, tumahimik, and in English, kept quiet. Next word, nankali, sa Tagalog, nagsalita, and in English, spoke. Last word, kinali, hinukay, and in English, dug.